Hey guys, happy Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, or as we like to say around here, happy Homebrew for the Holidays weekend. We have our store-wide sale all weekend, 20% off. We have a little bit of a lull. It's been really busy today, so thank you guys for that. But while we have a second here, we wanted to go ahead and whip up a quick batch of Wassail to kind of keep you guys warm as you go out and continue your shopping adventures. Goodness gracious. So basically, what is Wassail? Wassail is kind of an old school, you can almost think about it like a mulled wine or just like a mulled beverage, served warm, obviously, with some kick in it. So if you know the old Christmas carol of like, here we come, wassailing or whatever, this is what they're talking about. It's a nice cheering beverage to keep you warm and lift your spirits a little bit, so to speak. We are going to do, there's a bajillion different recipes, and at the end of the day, you know, pick and choose from what sounds good to you and makes it to your taste buds. What we're going to do is mix together some straight apple cider. If I was doing this just for me, I might use some hard apple cider, but since we'll have kids coming in and out, we want to have a kid-friendly version here too. So I'm going to pour a gallon of cider over into our bucket here, and then we're going to add some holiday mulling spices to it and some different kind of citrus fruits just to make it a little bit more fun. What we added, because it's what we have around and it's because what we like, is 3 sticks of fresh cinnamon, a clove of nutmeg that I'm going to crack in half with a hammer, and then about a half a dozen or so Juniper Berries just to add a nice little earthy touch. So I've got all that measured out here and ready to go. I just kind of sliced into big chunks an orange peel. If you wanted to stud this with cloves, that'd be cool. I kind of hate cloves, so we left it out. Just quarter up an apple, and then again just slice and lemon into a few different pieces here, and then squeeze a little bit of that juice into your cider. I've actually gone ahead and done all that inside of the pot here if you want to bring it in and take a look. We have it on our induction burner, which we'll turn the heat on. It's getting nice and warm here. We'll turn that off so it doesn't steam up the lens. But basically just bring it all up. You can simmer it if you like, or you know, just get it nice and warm. Just kind of keep things moving, but it smells really, really nice and fruity and festive in here. And then when it's ready, pull yourself out a little scoop, nice and warm. And then you can top it up with a nice English ale or a barley wine or anything, or what a nice red wine. Homemade red wine works the best. And again, if you were doing this just for a party or something, you could just go ahead and dump the beer or the wine right into the bucket and heat it up all together. But again, we wanted something that the kids could have if they come in today too. Still nice and warm even after you mix in the wine. It just warms every part of you all the way down. Kind of reminds you of a hot toddy, kind of reminds you of a mulled wine, but has that really fruity, cidery element, and then all the fun, bright, aromatic holiday spices. Yeah, so we highly, highly recommend trying this at your next get-together, or if you're coming in here over the weekend, we'll have a batch on the cook plate here for you to try as well. Happy post-Thanksgiving, happy retail madness, everybody, and happy holidays. Cheers.